Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is not a vlog. As you could understand from the title and the thumbnail, this is a video about 5 best drawing YouTube channels. Best in the sense not about the amount of views that they garner or the popularity they have in YouTube. Definitely we have got many more different popular drawing YouTube channels, but these 5 channels are something that we need to follow. Why do we need to follow? Let's find out. So the first channel is PS Rathod Arts. This boy is superb because the way he chooses the colors for different types of portraits, I love it. I've learned so much from his drawings. The proportions that he does and even the topics that he chooses, they are so trending that everyone should be watching it. So that's why I recommend this channel. And I would also suggest that you guys go to his playlists. You can see a lot of different playlists and that will surely help you grow in your own art, and this channel is really helpful in all those ways. The second channel is Pritam Shah Arts. So what this boy, I think he's from my state. Pritam, he does not upload those many days, but whenever he uploads, it's a miracle. I would say he's kind of a pencilographer, even though I have seen few sceneries or even digital works, but whatever he does with pencils traditionally, that is phenomenal. I think the most viewed video of his is the Joker drawing. If you guys have not seen it, then I would definitely suggest you guys to see that one. And then again comes the third channel, that is Sankar Art. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, Sankar or Shankar. So this guy, nowadays he's doing some fan art reviews, but generally his portrait skills again are top notch. The hyper realistic ways he draws the portraits, I love it. I have again learned a lot from him. Again, the topics that he chooses are very much among the current affairs too, but still he does not miss out on portraits every now and then. So I have learned again a lot from this channel. The next channel that we have is Sketching Scotty. Now this channel has got a bit more subscribers than the previous 3, but why Sketching Scotty is for me very special because of his unique way, unique style. Because for these kinds of sketches you don't need too much amount of time, you don't need to sit and think much. What sketching does is it generates the idea of art, so that whenever you are procrastinating, you guys can just sketch it out. So this channel will definitely encourage you to do all those stuff. The last but definitely not the least is Mini Small. Mini Small is my personal favorite in this whole video because I started YouTube I think in the year 2017 I first uploaded. That time I was pretty much influenced by Mini Small. The person, I'm not sure her name is Mini or not, she shows everything what she does while drawing, how the process goes. She does not depend too much on realism but still goes on drawing every day almost. So nowadays she tries to do some vlogs, but back that time she was great. So in the playlists you can go and check out her Inktober. The Inktober 2017 series was something very, very special. She also published a kind of a book of this whole series. I loved it, so I guess you guys will also like it. Now for the final few special mentions, I have few of these channels that I also feel that should make these kinds of lists. I will definitely make more of these lists, but as you can see, Rajneesh Sketch Art is another Indian guy. He does a lot of hyper realistic drawings. I like his style again. He's pretty much underrated. Then there is Sunil Kumar Arts. This guy again does a lot of hyper realism kind of drawings, and definitely we all need to subscribe to him, follow him, see how he's progressing. If you have some doubts, we can check with him. I guess these are smaller YouTubers, but they definitely need to get much more attention. So the way they approach drawing is something that has definitely intrigued me a lot, and I really hope that you guys will also love them. Again, there is another channel, Banglar Art. This guy, he does a lot of colorings, lots of celebrity portraits, lots of different kinds of drawings, you know, gods and goddesses, Hindu mythology, all of it. So I love this channel too. Then there is How Art Drawing. No, this one is not from my country, not from India, but he might be from the South Asian side. I'm not sure. If someone knows where he's from, then please comment down below. He's a brilliant artist. And then the last one that I have in this special mentions is Ricky. So Ricky's drawing are again very much interesting. So I love all of these kinds of drawings. So that's it for the video, guys. If you have liked it, then please hit the like button. If you have suggestions about any other kind of video on drawing topics, or if you have some other channels which you think are underrated, then I would love to read your comments. So keep commenting below, and I would love to know what you think about the drawing space that YouTube has. Till the next time, see you again. Bye.